सब आ जाएंगे।
Happy birthday to PJ! Happy birthday PJ! Thank you!
इतना एक्साइटेड।
I have some nachos with sake. Hi everyone, it's the next day. It is Tuesday and it is 19 January. And 19 January is my birthday. So this is going to be a birthday vlog. So I'm going to film my birthday as well and I'm taking all of you together with me. So I just got out of the shower. My hair is still damp and we are going to be using the coconut oil deep conditioning protein pack from Palmer's. I'm using this since 2 of my washes because my hair are quite dry and frizzy. So I'm just trying the product out, how it works. If it works, I'm gonna let you know. I'm gonna review it if it works, and if it doesn't, then also I'm going to tell you. Sorry for the dark footage, but I think it's gonna be okay. It has this thick cream-like formula which apparently loosens out the frizz. I'm ready and it's my birthday. Oh, आँखों नहीं आ गई हैं. It's my birthday and I'm going out.
Wow, thank you.
Thank you. This is my outfit. This is what I'm wearing, all black from top to bottom. I'll meet you when I sit in the car. I'm in a severe rush. So I'm here at Lolo Rosso and I'll be having some. I am here at Lolo Rosso for a lunch, and I really like the bowls and the falafel sandwich here, so I'm gonna have that. I have been craving to eat something Mexican with lettuce and salami, so I thought this is the best place to come. And falafel is something. Falafel and bread for me is like comfort food. I have to have bread, so that's the only bread we can get here. So yeah, I'm here. It's a really, really pretty restaurant and the food here is so good. So the first order is here. I have some nachos with sake. So I just finished my lunch. I was here with my friends and now I'm going to meet some more friends of mine and then go somewhere. So I had a really, really wholesome lunch. The falafel was so good and the bowl was really amazing. My cake is here. अरे सब लेके आए, ये कर लेके आए, ये कर लेके आए, बहुत मजा आया। Yo. Just नहीं, हाँ।
निकाल दे उसको। निकाल दे।
हाँ ले पर उसको पैक तो करना पड़ेगा मेरे को। बहुत मस्त केक है। नहीं ये निकाल दो। I'm cutting the cake now and I have ordered this cake again, but this time it's not chocolate strawberry. This time I ordered a vanilla strawberry cake. I really liked it the last time when I ordered for my Christmas cake. So if you haven't watched that vlog, go watch that vlog. I don't know why I'm talking with the knife pointing at you, but yeah, that's the update.
तेरा बर्थडे रेटिंग पे दूंगा तेरे। फोन।
Sorry, ले लो।
तेरे साथ
Oh. नहीं चेयर में आ लीजिए।
खाना का एंजाइटी आ रही है आप?
नहीं मेरे को बहुत मजा आ रहा है।
पूरा ही बिगाड़ दिया।
अब बजी 10।
अच्छा वो ब्लू बैंड का है। चलो कर दूँ?
कर दो।
तो सिंग करो फिर करो ना.
सिंग करो क्या सिंग करो
Sing.
ना ये ठीक है
कैंडल अच्छा है. नहीं कैंडल नहीं बिकॉज कोविड. मेरी मम्मी ने रात को मना किया
वीडियो में
क्योंकि क्या छोड़ो. मेरे को
मम्मी
मना
की बात
किया.
कोई नहीं डाल सकता
हाँ.
कम ऑन चल
चलो
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear PJ. Happy birthday to you.
इतना बेसुरा हूँ
You were born in the zoo. You were born in the zoo. With the monkeys and donkeys.
You're like lightning in a bottle. So this is the first gift which I'm opening. No, this is the third gift which I'm opening.
ये पूरा फुटेज खराब हो गया.
Oh, nice. ये ड्रेस है?
पजामा. Oh, this is so cute. मुझे ऑप्टिकल
I swear मैं सोच रही थी कि यार ये लोग ये मैं ये बोल देती पहले कि एक आधा पजामा गिफ्ट कर दो तो फिर मैं कल ही इस पे देख रही थी किस पे H&M पे. थैंक यू.
अच्छा ना.
बहुत मस्त है.
अच्छा है चलो.
थैंक यू. केक खोल.
इतना अभी बोली जस्ट 2 मिनट पहले कि इतना खाया है कि
मैंने तेरे को वो मीम नहीं भेजा. मैंने तेरे को
चीज
भेजा
केक
था.
खराब हो जाएगा.
हाँ भाई. I'm so full me after 15 minutes. आजा पीड़ी.
कौन से थे? हाँ मैं स्ट्रॉबेरी वाला हो जाएगा.
तुमको जो
सुबह
लेना
से मैं तीसरी चौथी
स्ट्रॉबेरी खा रहे हो.
चाचू
तू शुभ गार्डन कर.
ये लायक ही नहीं है
इसलिए मैं बैठ ही नहीं रही.
ये लायक ही नहीं है
मेरे को सिर्फ टेस्ट करना है.
लो ना.
टार्ट. मेरे को भी टेस्ट करना है. टार्ट सिर्फ सॉरी स्ट्रॉबेरी पीस नहीं है. अच्छा
बहुत मस्त.
2 hours later.
सही है ना
Happy birthday to PJ. Happy birthday PJ. Thank you.
इतना एक्साइटेड
So I initially planned to make a birthday vlog. Then I vlogged for one whole week, and now it's a birthday week video. So we are out for some lunch, or we are out for some dinner. We have had really amazing dinner. So I had to end my birthday vlog here, and I wanted to show you guys that what all I got for my birthday. So here is me showing you all my gifts. Let me bring the bag. Here's the whole bag of different gifts which I got. One gift which is outside, which I'm showing you. This right here on my table. This is my workstation, and I got this pretty lamp. It looks like this when you turn it on, and this is so pretty. I wanted to share the experience of opening the lint with you all. So there is a cut here, and you So I had to go out, which you will see in the next vlog. Please be ready for that. Till now I opened my lint, and I also show you the lamp. The other gift which I got was this really pretty ramen bowl. This is the Japanese ramen bowl. You all know how much I love Japan. I'm going to use this so much. This is a really thoughtful gift. I was in fact looking to buy a bowl. Already saw this one. I got a pajama set. This really cool pajama set. And I actually wore this shirt, this pajama shirt, as a proper shirt in my birthday dinner. I got Moistful Collagen. So all my friends know that I love Moistful Collagen so much that it is now a no-brainer gift for them. Like whenever they want to give me something, they're like, go have your Moistful Collagen. So this is the third box of Moistful Collagen I'm having right here, and I cannot be any more happy. Last gift, which is really pretty, is this necklace. Is this chain pendant which I'm wearing. It came in this box. Wait, I'll show you a close-up of this. I really love those tiny dainty chains, and this is one of them, so yeah, win for me. So these are all the gifts that I got. I also got, did I get anything else? Yeah, good. So let me show you the stationery that I got. I love stationery. I would spend so much. So, oh my god, something fell. So first, I got a Mickey notebook. I mean, I'm making it very clear what I like. Yeah, I collect diaries. So every year, once I am either gifted diaries or I either buy some. Oh wow! So got the diary. Then I got few pens. These pens are so good. I got this. This is a mini canvas. I'm seeing so many videos of people making mini canvases, and I felt like I want to paint something, so I just got this mini canvas because it's cute. I love my birthday so much, and I'm so happy I can celebrate it with people I love, and it was just so much fun. And I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to end it here. It's a pretty long video. I have to continue the next vlog as well. So I'm gonna say goodbye here. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Do all the good stuff. You will be blessed. And thank you for watching. Bye.